Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. This episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about sunglasses. And not just sunglasses for you. Before we jump into that, I want to remind you everybody, please hit the thumbs up, helps me out with YouTube's analytics. Leave some sort of comment down below, preferably a positive one. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now's a great time. Just go down there, click that subscribe button, and then click it again, and you'll have the notifications pop up. You just click on the notification bell to receive all notifications when I post a video. All right? Okay, so sunglasses. How many of you gone outside and it's from inside the house there, nice dark in the house, you go outside in the middle of summer, it's like, oh man, gee, I can't see. Well, since I wear a nice billed hat here, kind of shades my eyes, and it doesn't bother me quite as much. But when I got the grandkids, they want to go out here on the new concrete driveway, and you do chalk art or ride the scooters around, they're all like, I can't see. They've been stealing my work safety sunglasses to go out there and do that. So I got their mom to go to Dollar Tree and got them a bunch of sunglasses. And they put those on, and actually with two of the kids, these bigger ones fit over their other glasses, so they can keep their seeing glasses on, and they can have the sun block so they don't get all squinty-eyed and crashing into things. Now going back to my pair of sunglasses here, these are a pair of safety ones. They need to fit tight all the way around here. So I'm out there working, and I'm grinding on something or doing work with a saw, cutting stuff in the sun. I don't get sawdust or splinter metal fragments or anything else in my eyes. All right. So hey, these are great. Now, you can also get prescription sunglasses. So if you have glasses you need to wear outside, you can get them in prescription. You can also get safety prescription sunglasses as well that'll take an impact for whatever's going on. All right, so make sure I got all my notes here caught up here. All right, so sunglasses, protection for your eyes. Think about it. If you're smart, you'll take care of it. And so which means you're all smart, you're all going to take care of it and get the proper sunglasses you need. All right, cool. All right, before I take off, I'm going to put a link right up here to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, where I got a bunch of gardening and homesteading videos, and I've got a bunch of old emergency preparedness videos that I created before I fired this channel back up again. All right, so with that in mind, something special about the My Garden playlist. I may put it down here in the bottom, but if I don't, go over there to Camp Patton Family Compound, check it out, because there's a lot of stuff about you as a prepper. You should have a garden, and I explain it in there. All right, so Camp Patton Family Compound. I'm going to put Prepping for Beginners up here and Prepping for Private playlist down here, so you can share those with your friends so they can get prepared and they don't come over and try to take your supplies from your family. All right,